Here at Plaza Aesthetics and Wellness, we offer the Morpheus 8, which is a microneedling with radiofrequency. It is for the face and neck, we offer a 24 pin, and then for the body, we offer a 40 pin. It's called the Morpheus 8 because the radiofrequency is able to penetrate as deep as 8 millimeters. So we tailor the treatment based off of the patient's concern. So you get the damage from the needles going into the skin, which causes collagen and elastin stimulation. The skin will heal from the bottom up. And then we also emit that radio frequency, which helps tighten the tissue, remodel some of the fat if it's deep enough, and then also tighten the skin at the surface. Regular microneedling, in my experience, and I've been doing this for 8 years, is wonderful for anti-aging. It's also wonderful for acne scarring. In terms of treating severe scarring or doing more for skin tightening, it's really kind of lackluster. So until we had these new microneedling with radiofrequency devices, unless someone came in with acne scarring, I wasn't routinely recommending microneedling. Often we'd have patients come in maybe who had received it at another location, and they were coming to us to continue treatments, but it often I would say lackluster for the potential amount of downtime. So it really changed the industry when we had these treatments come on the market. The reason I decided to go with the Morpheus 8, it really is the Rolls Royce in terms of microneedling with radiofrequency. Again, the radiofrequency does go down as deep as 8 millimeters in the skin. What sets us apart here at Plaza Aesthetics and Wellness is, as the physician, I'm able to do an injectable and we're able to go much deeper. If you were to go to a non-physician owned medical spa and the procedure was not performed by a physician, you would not be able to get the same depth of treatment. So it's very important when you're searching for Morpheus 8 that you go to a physician or someone who is immediately trained by a physician, but a physician-owned medical spa who is able to perform the treatment to the desired depth. So the Morpheus is not a one and done. It is a series of treatments. So during your complimentary consultation, we would determine if it was appropriate to do maybe a series of 3 or a series of 5. I don't recommend, if a patient just wants to try a treatment, that they go ahead with the one treatment. It will be kind of lackluster, and I want to make sure they're getting their money's worth. So we always recommend a series. In terms of downtime, it varies from patient to patient. Often on like a face and a neck, a face may heal in a few days, a neck may take a little bit longer. Often on the body, it could take even 2 to 3 weeks. That's not necessarily common, but every patient heals a little bit differently. So obviously during that healing time, you'd want to keep the area moisturized. We also have a really great pre and post treatment products that we recommend. We sell those at cost because you're already paying for the treatment. We just want the patients to have the best possible outcome. Also, if I know you said that the procedure could potentially go too deep, there's also a concern if the patient is treated too superficially. So if someone has very dark skin type or even a mildly dark skin type, or they had active sun and you treated very superficially, they could burn or they could have some hyper or hypopigmentation from the treatment. So again, it's like everything else, you just want to make sure that you go to someone who's very well trained and who has performed many of these procedures, preferably a physician-owned and operated medical spa.